Yeah, in our previous video we have seen how to maintain environment specific configurations. Now we will see how to define slots. Basically these slots are useful when you want to maintain switch from staging to production or production to staging in case if it is not working properly. Let us say you have tested everything in staging, and if everything is correct, then with one single click you can make the current staging as a production. In case that production is having any trouble, then you can revert the production to staging back. So how we will do, I will show now. Yeah, first we need to click on this app service, and after clicking on that we can go to deployment slots and add slot. Remember, adding a slot is as good as creating another app service, but it is tied up with the original production URL. And now I am giving a name as staging. So this name will be appended to the production URL. So I am selecting the configuration source first, ASP.NET demo, and I am this is the production app service, so I am tying it up with staging. If I click on OK, it will create a slot for staging. Yeah, as I told you before, if I click on this, it is as good as the new app service, but it is tied up with the production. And currently we have created a staging, but we did not publish any code to staging. What I do is I download the get publish file for staging, and I will publish my code. And here I do right click and publish, and profile and import. I will import the newly created profile. This is the staging one. Here you can see, and I will open that and click OK, and connection everything is okay. Next one, I will publish to the staging now. After publishing, the staging site will be opened automatically. Yeah, it is automatically opening the staging website. Here you can see it appended the staging to the production URL, and let us see how it will appear. Yeah, here we can see in the staging we deployed the code, and here it is saying this is production environment, but we don't want this. We want it to be a staging environment. Let us see how we add it. Like how I edited for production, I edit app settings here in the same way. I clicked on app settings for staging, and here this is the value I want to change it to staging, staging staging. I don't forget to save this. This is the button save to save. Here it is showing status. It has already updated. Now if I refresh, it should show the staging updated staging value. Let us see whether it is showing that or not. Yeah, we can see the staging environment now. Now what I want to do is I will add some new feature to my local environment. Then I publish it to staging. And once if we staging is published successfully and tested, we will deploy it to live by using switch. We can see I added a new element, new feature added, so we publish it to staging first. Publish, click on publish, and I selected staging, and I directly publish. Yeah, if I open the staging site, it is saying a new feature has been added. So now I confirm that my staging is working properly. So if I open my production site, this is the production URL, and if I refresh this page, still the production saying this is a production environment. There is no new added feature. Now what I do is I switch for because staging I already confirmed that everything is working. This newly added feature is supposed to go to production. How we will do that switch I will show. If we go to app services, and then we need to click on this one, and we need to click on deployment slots, and we need to click on this swap. Here we need to select what source we want to swap. I want to swap staging to